Hi guys, now we come to the Astra Park. This is Astra Park. Today Friday, so many people inside Astra Park. And many people finish work and they waiting jeepney. I will show it to you. How to say? Bayaninhar Park. It's Astra Park. Hello, how to say Bayaninhar Park? You know how to say, because how to say Bayaninhar Park? I also don't know. Okay, sorry. We will find who can say. I don't know. Georgi, can you say what name park? Bayaninhar Park. No, you say. No, you speak English, not Russian. Okay, let's go. We can ask who can, Georgi, we can ask who can say what name of park. Take a look, so many people here. Yes, who? Hello, do you know what name of park this park? It's a Astra Park. Name Bayaninhar Park. Bayaninhar Park. Bayaninhar Park. This is Tagalog, yes?
Bayanihan is Tagalog.
It's Tagalog, Bayaninhar Park.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Because I asked one guy, he Filipino, he said, I don't know how to say.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Bayaninhar Park. Now, no? Bayaninhar Park. Bayaninhar Park. Yes, Bayaninhar Park. We won't walk around this park. But I don't know, it's so dark. Maybe you cannot see us. People play also. Hi. We don't have children. Not need. Now time 6:27. Georgi, I know you like this park because you always run here.
Sometimes.
Sometimes
Not run.
no exercise.
Yes.
What time you exercise here? Maybe only evening time. About 8. It's already still open this park or not? Don't have people?
Open it's until 10.
Until 10. So until 10 can walk here. Okay. Take a look, so big line to the jeepney. Because Friday, some of people going to the province. They take jeepney and go to the bus station maybe. Now I know Bayaninhar Park. Yes, from 5 to 10. From 5 to 10. From Angeles to Kapas, Bamban. Dab, Bamban. So many people waiting jeepney. Bamban is already Tarlac. This jeepney going to Tarlac. This jeepney go to Kapas, Tarlac. Yes, it's part of Tarlac. No, I just take video. It's part of Tarlac, yes?
Kapas.
Oh, so far. Okay, thank you.